Hi, welcome to my video on the UURig handheld universal handle, and this model is the CA01. Now I purchased this off AliExpress for $4.99. Now you can get it on Amazon UK for $15.99 or eBay for $9.99. So it varies in price which website you go to buy this. Now this is a universal handle suitable for all types of cameras, from your big DSLR cameras all the way down to your small action cameras. This is a universal handle that you can screw onto the bottom of your camera, whether it's a DSLR or a action camera, so you can get a more sturdier video shooting or photography with this handle. The UURig handle is made of ABS plastic. Its length is just over 4 3/4 inches with a width or diameter of 1 inch and a thickness of over 1.5 inches. Now at the top of the handle we have a 1/4 inch screw which sits in the middle of the platform here, which has rubber on there, and just below there is a turning screw so you can tighten and loosen the handle to your camera. The turning screw is made of ABS plastic along with the body of the handle. It does have on either side of the handle this nice kind of, I would say, crocodile style pattern on either side to give it more grip, and that is actually made of rubber. So these are rubber inserts, and I have to say it's well built into the body of the handle. Now on the back we have 4 screws. The UURig handle is made of 2 sections screwed together. Back of the handle we have at the bottom a hole for a lanyard, which you do not get with this, so you have to supply your own lanyard for this handle. And at the bottom we have a female 1/4 inch screw thread. Now this allows you to screw this to tripods and even tabletop tripod legs or any other equipment that has a 1/4 inch male screw thread on there. Now the weight of the handle is 72 grams. If you're a vlogger that uses action cameras as your main camera for vlogging, I would say that the UURig universal handle CA01 makes a perfect compact complement handle with your action camera. Now please be aware that even though you can use this on your action camera, which no doubt would be waterproof, whether it's from a GoPro all the way to a Yi camera that will require a case around it. This is not a flotation device for your camera, so if you drop your camera in water with this handle it will sink. It's because the length of the handle is not very long. Now I would say that this is suitable for people with small to medium hands, as you can get a very good tight grip around the handle. Now if you've got larger hands but you just require a small handheld handle for your camera, you can get away with this too, because as I stated before, it has this kind of crocodile skin type pattern, which is rubber, which I have to give it's a kind of sticky rubber on either side of this handle. So you could get away with, even with large hands, with this particular handle. Now as I stated before, towards the bottom of the handle we have this hole that allows you to connect a wrist lanyard or neck lanyard to the handle. Now it's a pity that UURig does not supply any kind of lanyard for this handle, which is a shame. This is the part of the video where I give my conclusion on the UURig handheld universal handle model CA01. If you're looking for a handle stroke gun grip for your camera, whether it's a DSLR camera to your action camera. You can't go wrong with this. It's a very well built handle from UURig, and I love how they've put this crocodile skin pattern, which is in rubber, on either side of the handle. That gives it plenty of grip. Now I know that it's a short handle, which is only 4 3/4 inches, so people with large hands might feel that this handle does not sit right in their hands. But if you bring with you a tabletop tripod legs and attached to the bottom of it, like which I've done in this video here, you find that this is a very good handle in the hands, especially the thickness of this handle. For vloggers who use an point and shoot camera or mirrorless camera to an action camera, you can't go wrong with this handle. It has a nice wide platform at the top with a nice large, I would say, thumb screw or screw wheel to connect to your camera, which is great. So you can tighten and release your camera from the platform of this handle, no problem. I would say it will give you a compact setup with your camera and makes your camera more easier to hold to get those steady video shots or photography. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. I perfectly understand. Sometimes my videos can be long or they can be short, but I like to go into the detail so when you buy the item or the product, you know what to expect. If you like the channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.